come over here, guys. There's fish. Come over here. There's fish. It's wet, Mama.
Yeah. See where the heron is? So down and a little bit to the right. And there's a nest there with 3 little, you can see it even without your glasses.
Yep, and one of them is reaching up saying, where's my breakfast?
Now that you know where it is, you can see the 3 little orange necks sticking up.
One is feeding.
Oh, yep, he just got some. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God.
You see it?
Very young.
Yeah.
They're very young, yes. Who knows, it may have just come out of the...
Oh, my God. Did you see what's going on right now? The baby has his head all the way down the throat of the mother.
That's how they feed.
Amy, you would not believe what's going on. Amy. Amy.
What?
Look, with the binoculars, the baby has his head all the way down the neck of the mother.
Because.
All the way down the neck.
Cool.
You can't even see the head.
Skylar has to go potty. No, I can kind of see it.
I have this on film.
Oh, good.
All right, well, Oren can stay with me.
Where's Oren?
I can't, I have to keep the video on this.
Oren, stay with Daddy. He's right here.
Mom, I saw a boy coming into a bush and then I saw a bear in the bush.
Oren, you stay with me, okay, buddy?
Okay, let's go up there and see what I just saw. What? This is not in the pond. Let's just go.
Honey, we're waiting for Mommy and Skylar to come back.
Let me see one point.
Honey, look. Oren, come here. Oren. Oren. Can you look at the babies with the binoculars now? Because their mommy is feeding them and it looks really cool. What, hon?
I was that boy.
There he is.
No. That boy was us.
You know what he's doing, Oren?
What?
He's eating some of those little fish.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Well, from Westchester. I'm from Union, New Jersey.
Are you down like for
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
We're part of the. Oh, come on! I live on the next block.
Where's that fish?
I know that in New York.
When is those fish?
He's gonna catch a fish.
Where's my hat? I cannot even see it.
Oren, don't push on me, honey. Here he goes.
Make a zoom of this guy.
I am.
He just caught one.
Did you see that, guys?
I saw him dipping. I saw him dipping.
He was so fast. He poked right down and picked it up and ate it.
He's gonna do that.
Oh, I think he's going to do it again right now. He's looking down. He's checking out a fish. Picking one out. He's going for his lunch.
Yes. So is this still a tricolored heron?
Yeah, probably.
Yes. Probably.
Yeah.
I think
He's
he has yellow
disappointed. What could I tell you? Yeah, he's. I I told never you. saw him scrunch his neck down.
There, look at that.
Yeah.
Now we
Wow.
go.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah, you see the big neck?
Yeah.
You see, it keeps
He was
going
trying
up
to
like
fool
an
us.
elevator.
He did.
Yeah.
Fooled me. Didn't fool you.
When they
Oh,
reach
wow.
the right-
Look at that.
That is incredible.
You must see a bird.
Isn't that a gorgeous
Wow.
neck?
How did he scrunch it? He scrunched it in and tell us nothing.
He
I
did.
think
I've
so.
never seen that.
He's like
you
a
do
turtle
that?
sticking, putting his head in.
Can you do that? Right.
That was
You can do it
spectacular.
with your toes.
We want to watch
Make your
him
neck longer with standing
have
on your
some
toes.
lunch here again.
Eventually, he could stand there forever. See, you can see his
his white
stripe.
front, yeah. That's a tricolor, no doubt about it.
You just didn't listen to me for a
That's
change.
right.
For a change.
He's crowing about it.
It sounds like a goat.
No, that's a common moorhen.
No, this guy is making the noise.
We saw him by us.
Wow, look at that white heron. It's the spider's web. There's something red in it. It's
Oh, okay. We're supposed to be up here, but today should be cool.
I know, but it is a blue heron, okay? Ow. Ow, that blood really hurts. Ah. Get the bugs away.
Did you guys see the alligator?
Yeah. Yep. Ow.
Oh, I can see his teeth.
Ow. Ow. Hey, that egg is looking right straight at me. Yeah. Not there. Why?
Because if you fall in over here, you look at him, he's dancing. The white heron.
I think it's an egret. It's a great egret.
Look at that.
What's he doing?
He's eating.
It's like a black ibis. I've never seen one of those before.
Look at Isaac.
That's that kind of bird, I think. I mean, let's go look at the sign.
Wait, listen.
Over here, there's a sign.
Oh, here, let's get a little.
That's me right there. I can't see water. Go away.
Oh, come this way, he's closer.
Mom and Dad and Ron and Scarlet is all not cool. I guess he raised his head up on it.
Looks pretty tall right now, doesn't he?
Yep, but not taller than us.
I don't know, I think he is.
Hey,